Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're in a place called Brookton, Western Australia, and I just noticed the train station here is all fenced off, so let's have a look and see why. I'm just walking on the platform here. I was looking at the train tracks, so this one's shiny and the other side is rusted, so they must be using this track, but I didn't think that they were using the trains out here in the central wheat belt anymore. So we're just having a look at this train station here. So this is probably 1900s era. You can see the old power line, or the posts for the power line. It's not actually connected to power, it looks like. But in saying that, the main street here has underground power, so maybe the power lines aren't needed. But anyway, it's got the support beams here, so maybe the roof is not too sound. We do have some termite damage just there. If I get the camera to focus a little bit, there we go. Looks like termite damage. We do have a broken window there though. Zoom back out. Now what we'll do is, I don't think there's any trains going to come today. So this, let's investigate that. I want to see. Get out stuff out. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump down onto the track. Don't know if I should or shouldn't, but so they're using steel sleeper. Actually, it's steel sleeper and then wooden sleeper. So the sleeper is what the track sits on. So it's got wood and steel mixed. So I'm not sure why. The other side the same as well. We have wood and steel. Now you can see this track's all rusted, like I was saying. So they're definitely not using this track. If we zoom straight down, 7 times zoom, you can see the track just continues on. It's got a lot of old green moss on the roof just there. So it's an old station. I'm trying to get the zoom in correct. And then we've got this weird platform. So I would assume that there would have been a track here as well. So maybe there was 3, possibly even 4 tracks, I'd say, because this is definitely another platform. Now there is something behind this this fencing that they've used here. We do have some severe cracking. The frame is actually bowed. You can see it's bending, so probably in the future this will collapse at one point in time. We have a train crane when they load up the trains back in the day. So what they would do is they could turn this on the cog. This whole thing would actually turn to where the train would be, and then they'll load up the goods with that crane up the top there. So really old fencing here, chain link fence. It's all rusted, and I don't even know where this fence would be from. Got another weird platform here as well, and we're just coming to the back of this bit here. So old out here. Oh, it's open. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, bit of a step. Yeah, sure, exactly. What's going on inside here? Some type of storage shed. It's very old inside. Didn't actually expect it to be open. Also have another shed here as well. You guys can see in the distance it says Brookton, change here for Corrigan. So back in the day when the train line was running, if you wanted to go to Corrigan, you'd have to swap train here. And then the track, look, these tracks go throughout the wheat belt. So the wheat belt is just an area here in WA. It's a big area. So we ran out of storage once again. Really need to sort that out. So it's a bit windy, it's a bit blowy here, and we've just searched in there. There's nothing inside. There was some stuff in here, but nothing too interesting. And then we're back to that crane again. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk back up the platform. It's a very interesting way the platform has been created, but yeah, I'm not sure. I've heard the plans of this building was to demolish it. There were plans to restore it. There Everyone's making plans for it. I'm not sure exactly, so. But this is the Brookton train station. And as I said, the track is very shiny, so they must have used it at one point in time. But I'm not sure when they've used it. The other track, definitely not being used. This track, I think it's been used, but not that often. And again, if we just zoom straight in, we do a 180-degree turn. So we just turn this way. And then straight down there. So plenty of track as far as I can see. And yeah, so that will wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in that next one. Thanks for watching.